Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the junction box in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 5/8 open-end wrench, 1/4-inch nut driver, and a 5/16-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new junction box cover. The junction box cover is a metal box that covers the electrical connection to your dishwasher. The power cord is connected to the internal dishwasher's wiring with plastic nuts inside the junction box. From time to time, the electrical wires inside the wire nuts get loose, causing arcing. If that happens, the junction box cover prevents the dishwasher from catching on fire. The main reasons why the junction box cover would need to be replaced is if it's missing. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shower valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16-inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful. There is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Alright, now we're going to pull out the dishwasher. I'm going to hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Now we're going to tilt this dishwasher back and kind of jam it under the counter. So make sure it's not going to slide down on the floor. Now we need to remove this kick panel. There's 2 1/4-inch screws, 1 in each corner. I'm going to take them out using the nut driver and simply take it off. The old junction box cover is held in place by the single 1/4-inch screw right here. I'm going to use the nut driver and I'm going to remove it. And now I'm going to slide it to the left and pull it off. Here we see the wires that this is a power cord coming from the outlet, and that's where they connected to the internal dishwasher wire harness. This is the old junction box cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The junction box cover goes in place with this tab on the side locked into this slot here on the bracket. And this large cutout on the cover is going on the top, and we managed to place it over, then lock the tab on the side, push it up slightly so the edge here is locking the cover, and we match these holes here on the side, on the left side, and we're going to secure it with the 1/4-inch screw. Now we're going to install the kick panel back and lift it up so it will clear the leveling legs at the bottom. And I'm going to secure it with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. Right now I'm going to put the dishwasher upright, and we can place it under the counter. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shower valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm gonna tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.